In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a moving average in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, knowing how to leverage moving averages is essential for technical analysis. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into TradingView and open up the chart for the asset you want to analyze. TradingView offers a clean and intuitive interface with plenty of tools to enhance your trading decisions. Once you're logged in and ready to go, select the chart of the asset you're interested in observing. This could be any stock, commodity, currency, or cryptocurrency, depending on your focus. Now, with your chart open, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find a small icon labeled FX. This is the Indicators button, and it's your gateway to adding analytical tools to your chart. Go ahead and give that a click. After clicking the Indicators button, a search box will appear. In this box, type Moving Average. You'll notice a list populate below the search field. This list represents various types of the moving average you can incorporate into your charting. For today's purpose, we're focusing on the basic moving average, so this is the one you want to select from the list. Once you click Moving Average, it will be added directly onto your chart. You'll see a new line reflecting the historic average price of your asset over a specific period. But don't stop there. To get the most out of this tool, we need to adjust its settings to suit our analytical needs. Locate the moving average label on your chart. You'll notice a small gear icon next to it. This icon is labeled as the settings option. Click on this gear icon and a menu will open presenting several customization options. One of the primary settings you'll want to adjust is the period or length of the moving average. Common choices are 50 days, 100 days, and 200 days, depending on the scope of your analysis. You can type in your preferred value based on your trading strategy. For example, a 50-day moving average is often used for short to intermediate term analysis, while a 200-day moving average is popular for longer term trends. While you're here, consider customizing the color and style of your moving average line so it stands out clearly against other elements of your chart. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, simply click OK or close the settings window. If you're interested in deeper analysis, you might want to add multiple moving averages. This is particularly useful for setups like crossover strategies, where you compare different moving averages to identify potential buy or sell signals. Simply repeat the earlier steps to add additional moving averages, each with different period values like 20, 50, or 200. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up and customizing moving averages in TradingView. Implementing these changes can provide greater clarity and enhance your trading insights. Give it a try and see how your charts transform into powerful decision-making tools.